Hello everyone. So till now we have discussed total five problems. Five problems we have discussed in transfer pricing. So the next problem, this is the sixth problem. A company has two divisions, division A and division B. Division A has a budget selling of 2 lakh units. So division A, it has a budget of selling 2 lakh units of a particular component X. Here it means this is the product they are manufacturing in the quantity of 2 lakh to fetch a return on 20% on the average assets employed. So division A, their target is producing 2 lakh units of component X and they want profit, that is return of 20% on the assets employed. So the following particulars of division A are also given. So here first of all they have given the cost. So that is fixed overhead, it is 5 lakh, variable cost it is 1 per unit, and next they have given the average assets. So sundry debtors is 2 lakh and inventory is 2 lakh, plant and equipments 5 lakhs. So here we have read that they want 20% return on the average assets employed. So these are the average assets. So after totaling all this we have to calculate 20% on it. Next, however, there is a constraint in the marketing and only 1,50,000 units of the component X can be directly sold to the market at a proposed price. So here total their target is producing 2 lakh units, but there is one constraint that only 1,50,000 units can be sold to the market. So 1,50,000 units they can sold in the market, but remaining 50,000. What about this remaining 50,000? So remaining 50,000 of component of the X can be taken up by division B, that is the sister division of the department A. Remaining components of X that are taken by the division B. Division A wants a price of 4 per unit. So division A, for this 50,000 units they are transferring to division B, they want 4 per unit, but the division B is prepared to pay rupees 2 per unit. So division A they are demanding 4 rupees per unit, but division B they want 2 rupees per unit. So next information, division A has another option in hand. So division A, first option for division A is producing 2 lakh units. In that 1,50,000 units should be sold in the market. Next remaining 50,000 should be transferred to division B. But this is the first option. Next option they have is, which is to produce only 1,50,000 units of component X. This will reduce the holdings of asset by rupees 2 lakh and fixed overhead by rupees 25,000. So next option is only producing 1,50,000 unit. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If they are doing this, the assets, which the average assets, that will reduce by rupees 2 lakhs. So total nalli avrige 2 lakhs kadme assets ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸೆಡ್ ಓವರ್ಹೆಡ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸೆಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 25,000 ಗೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. Now we are required to advise the most profitable course of action for division A. So ಈ ಟೂ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ return on the average assets. So first of all here, now for the purpose of calculating the transfer price calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ first of all ನಾವು profit ನ calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here they are telling they are expecting a return of 20% on average assets. So first of all we'll calculate the total average assets. So total average assets, so profit is 20% on average assets employed. So first of all, we'll see what are the assets given. So assets given here are debtors are 2 lakh, debtors are 2 lakh, inventories are 2 lakh, and plant and equipments are 5 lakhs. So this is 5 lakh, this is 5 lakh. So sundry debtors are 2 lakhs, inventories are 5 lakhs, and plant and equipments are 5 lakhs. So total they have 12 lakhs of assets. So on this 20% profit, so 20% rate of return means, so 12 lakhs into 20%, the profit they are expecting is 2,40,000. So on average assets, the 20% rate of return, the profit will be 2,40,000. Next we have to calculate the sales. So what is the information they have given about the cost? So they have given fixed cost and the average cost. So if we total all the cost and if we add profit in it, we'll get the selling price. So what is the budgeted targeted sales revenue they want? So 2 lakh units they want to manufacture of component X. So for that fixed cost they have given is 5 lakhs. Variable cost, so they have given 1 rupees per unit, rupee 1 per unit. So here we are manufacturing 2 lakh number of components. So 1 rupee per unit means 2 lakh into 1, it will be 2 lakh. So 2 lakh is the variable cost. Next we have calculated the profit, that is 2,40,000. So 2.4, it is written in lakhs. So if we total all these 5 plus 2 plus 2.4, the total sales is 9,40,000. So the revenue they will get, total revenue, total sales revenue, it is 9,40,000. So if you want transfer price per unit means we have to divide this by number of components. So here selling price of the component 9,40,000 divided by 2 lakh units. So X, value of X per unit will be 4.70. So 4.70 is the price that should be charged for component X by division A to division B. Next information they have given is about 2 options. So first option is selling 1,50,000 units in the market, and remaining out of 2 lakh, if we deduct 1,50,000, remaining 50,000 units should be transferred to division B. This is the first option they have. Second option they are telling they have to only manufacture 1,50,000 units to be sold in the market. So second option ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿನೇ ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ 1,50,000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ 1,50,000 units that can be sold in the market. So we have to tell among these 2 options which one is the best, which one is the most profitable. So for that we have to show one statement comparing the profits, comparing the cost, and comparing the rate of return. So for that purpose, this is the statement of profitability under division A for 2 options. So option 1 is 1,50,000 units, that is market plus division B. Option second is only selling to the market. So here total units are 2 lakh, manufacturing 2 lakh units, 1,50,000 for market and 50,000 for B. But here only 1,50,000. Okay. So here sales. So sales, if we see the sales, so sales in the sense in the market. So market nali market plus division B, and this is only market, right? So market nali 1,50,000 units at the price which we have calculated is 4.70. So 1,50,000 into 4.70, it will be 7,50,000. So 7,50,000, 7,50,000. Why we are writing this in both the option? Because market, selling in the market, it has in both the cases. Next, transferring to division B. So I told division B will not come in option second because they are only focusing on the market. So division B ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? 50,000. ಸೊ 50,000 division B ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ 2 rupees per unit ಬೇಕು. So 50,000 into 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 lakh. So here it will not come because as they are not manufacturing 50,000 units for division B. So total sales revenue, option first ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 8,05,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 7,05,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 1 rupees 1 per unit. So here per unit, in the sense in the option it is 2 lakhs. So 2 lakh into 1, it will be 2 lakh. Next, option second only 1,50,000, that is into 1, it will be 1,50,000. So in the sales, if we deduct the variable cost, the contribution will be option 1, it will be 6,05,000, and option second it will be 5,55,000. So next we have to deduct the fixed cost. So fixed cost in the first option it is 5 lakh. So in the second option, in the adjustments, they have told that if we are doing the second option, that is only producing 1,50,000 units and selling it into the market, this will reduce the fixed overhead by 25,000. So fixed cost ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 5 lakh ಇದೆ. 5 lakh ನಲ್ಲಿ 25,000 reduce ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So 5 lakh minus 25,000. So 5 lakh minus 25,000, it is 4,75,000. So here option second ನಲ್ಲಿ fixed cost vary ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Why it is varying means the fixed cost is reduced by 25,000. So 6,05,000 minus 5 lakh, 1,05,000 is the profit in option 1, and option second 5,55,000 minus 4,75,000, the profit is 80,000. Now we have to see the capital employed. So as they are following rate of return, they are following 20% rate of return on the average assets. So here we have to see the assets. So in the first option, as usual, what is the information given? That is the total asset, that is sundry debtors 2 lakh, inventories 5 lakhs, and plant and equipments 5 lakhs. Total was 12 lakhs. But in the adjustment, in the option second, another adjustment is given, that is assets will be reduced by 2 lakh if we are going for second option. So among 2 lakh to 12 lakh, if we reduce 2 lakh, the assets in the option second will only be 10 lakhs. So rate of return on capital employed is, that is profit divided by the average assets. So profit divided by the average assets. So here 1,05,000 divided by 12 lakh, 80,000 divided by 10 lakh. So here 1,05,000 divided by 12 lakh, it is 8.75. So rate of return in the form of percentages in option 1 will get 8.575. Next, 80,000 divided by 10 lakh, it is 8%. So if we compare both of the options, that is option 1 and option second, which one is the most profitable, which one is the most best? So the option first is the best, that is producing 1,50,000 units to the market, and remaining 50,000 units that should be transferred to division B, as it is getting more rate of return. So here analysis from the above observed solution, that is under option 1, division A's profit and rate of return. So profit ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1,05,000 ಇದೆ, percentage ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, rate of return 8.75 ಇದೆ. If we compare the division B, profit ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 80,000 ಇದೆ, ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 8% ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತು ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟರ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ that is why it is suggested that option first is the best and the most profitable for the division A, that is manufacturing 1,50,000 units for market and 50,000 units for the division B. So that's it about your solution. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in your group. Thank you.